This is a video walkthrough for 445 Cross Barn. This is in the Emma Park duplexes in Buda, Texas. So we're gonna walk these units. Take a quick look inside. We should be getting appliances on the 20th of this month. So those are already on order. This is the master suite towards the back of the first floor. Walk-in closet. And got the walk-in shower with the tiled backsplash. Water closet. And then on the opposite end of the first floor, so here's your utility closet. Pantry. Here's your drop zone coming out of the garage. Then you have another full bath on the first floor. And then the second suite down here. Then the other two bedrooms are upstairs with the full bath. And you got a true walk-in attic space up here and a linen closet. So here's your linen closet coming up right off the stairs. And then this is your true attic space. You can walk in here and service your unit, no problem. So bedroom number 3, it's right at the turn of the stairs. And then as you walk in the hallway, and then the last bedroom, the 4th bedroom, is back here. Still decent size. This is your niche patio. Backyard, fully sodded with sprinklers. Stained fence. So the other side is exactly the same. It's just mirrored the opposite way. Your water heater is out here. Electrical panels in the garage. So as we're coming in the garage, we're gonna come into the secondary bedroom downstairs with the full bath down here. So the way we were walking in the closet is how most homeowners would come in, or renters. They come in through the garage. Here's your drop zone. You can put your shoes, backpacks, whatnot. Kitchen, living area. Utility closet, bedroom. Same setup, exact same thing, just flipped. Got some trash that blew in here. I'll get rid of that. Decent sized yards. Very symmetrical, very square. Very nice unit. Again, the appliances are coming in on the 20th of October. Let's take a peek upstairs real quick. Your linen closet, again. Bedroom number 3. And then bedroom number 4. And then you got your restroom here. And bedroom number 4. See the side of your home. Duplex. This was a video walkthrough for 445 Cross Barn in Buda, Texas. Thank you for touring.